Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge summer haul, and these are just items that I've collected over the past few weeks, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've been rocking, what I've been loving lately. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Chloe and I make videos every single Friday, and I love for you guys to subscribe and be a part of this little family, this little party we got going on. Without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So I went to Topshop, Forever 21, H&M. I did a few DIY pieces that I'll talk to you guys later about. And I also went to American Apparel. So those are the stores that I shopped at, and let's just dive right into it. So the first store that I went to was Topshop, and the stuff that I got was really simple. I kind of just wanted some basics, something that I could layer outfits with, just very basic. So the first thing that I got was this white tube top, and it's kind of not white now because I need to wash it. It's just a plain white tube top, and it fits really nice. I like to wear it with my denim shorts. I don't know, I just think white, having a white tube top is just I feel like you have to have something white that's really simple because it just goes with everything. So yep. So the next thing that I got was a black crop top, that's what you want to call it, a black tank, and it kind of has the ruffling details on the top and the bottom. It's just really cute, and I thought it would be perfect as a little summer staple. So with the same tank top that I showed you, I actually got it in a white color as well, and all these were $10. So this is a size 4 if anyone's interested in the sizing at Topshop. They're pretty true to size, and I also thought that this would just be a perfect staple. I just really got a lot of staple pieces. Topshop has some really nice basics, so if you guys are on the lookout for just basic tank tops or anything like that, I would really suggest Topshop. Okay, so moving on, this is kind of a thrifted DIY piece, but I just wanted to throw it in this video. So I actually went thrifting and I got this oversized tee, men's top, and it's kind of a polo shirt, just a really large polo shirt, and I actually cut it in half and put elastic around the waist, and I kind of made it into a two-piece set. I've been seeing these a lot on Instagram and Twitter, and I saw it and I was like, hey, I can do this, hello, I could definitely do this. If you guys are interested or want a DIY video, make sure to leave a comment down below. But yes, I got this adorable two-piece set, and it's hard to show you, but you guys will see it in the try on portion. But this is basically how it looks. It's kind of a top and a bottom. It's so cute. I think it's perfect for the summertime, and I just love the color. I feel it's very summery, beachy vibes. So now moving on to H&M. I only got one thing from H&M, and I actually got this in the sale section, and just buying this sweater makes me really sad because, you know, it just has a lot of sentimental meaning, and you guys will see in a second. I got the Stadium Tour Bieber sweatshirt. I just really like the color. I tried it on and I was like, this color looks good on my skin. I think it was $12, so we get deals over here. It just says Stadium Tour on the back, and it has Stadium Tour written on the sleeves, and I just thought this is a really adorable throw on sweater. And for college, I literally only wear sweats, so I think I'm just gonna keep buying more sweats, and I will definitely be having a back to school series so you guys can see what I've been shopping for, dorm wise, back to school wise. Yes, I got this sweatshirt, really cute. Yeah. So the next store that I went to was American Apparel, and I actually just went online because you guys know they shut down all their stores, so I only went online. But they have the clearance section, and they were having 50% off all clearance, and I saw that and I was like, excuse me. I actually got more items, but it's not going to come until Monday, and I really wanted to get this video up for you guys. The first thing I got was just, I think this color is just beautiful. I got this adorable neon yellow one piece, and I thought, I don't know if it was a bathing suit or a bodysuit, I had no idea, but I feel you can wear this as both. It is bathing suit material, so it's obviously a bathing suit. I also feel with some pair of shorts, come on, and white sneakers, I feel that would look really adorable. And the back is kind of low, so you know, just being a little scandalous out here. So the next thing that I got from American Apparel, I am obsessed with this type of dress. I actually bought 2 more colors in this after I tried it on. I was like, oh no, I'm literally gonna need to get every single color that they have on this website. Terry cloth is very 90s, and I don't know if you guys know, but I love the 90s. That's my favorite era. So I saw this and I was like, I need to get this. It's super cute. I just love the color. I feel like this color on my skin would look really nice in the summertime. Watch out for the Instagram pictures because I will be slaying in this dress. Don't worry. So the last thing that I got from American Apparel was this just simple gray crop top, and I think this would look adorable with like some leggings, just if I'm like working out. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm on the dance team, so like when we go to practice and stuff, I can wear this with some leggings. Perfect, comfortable, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the next place that I went to was Old Navy, and I only got 2 things from there, and they're just pretty simple. I got some shorts. So I got like their I don't know how long this is. I think this is 3.5-inch shorts. This is called the everyday short, and I just got a pair of white ones, and I also got a pair of like pinstripe red ones. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's kind of like pinstripe, and it's just cute, simple, easy breezy. So moving on, I also went to Fashion Nova, and I only got 1 thing from Fashion Nova, but I love it. So I got this adorable, it's called a Kiki top. I'm gonna try and link it down below if I can find it. I just think it's a simple basic top. I think I need to stop buying basic now because I think I have enough, and it kind of looks like the Topshop top that I showed you. Wow, that was a tongue twister. It's super soft, and I wasn't expecting it to be this soft, but yes. So moving on to the next store, I also went to Forever 21, and I was looking for shorts, and I have been looking for shorts for the past like month, and I feel like all the shorts are either too cheeky and I don't want, you know, my whole butt cheek out, or they were too long, and I just found the perfect medium. And I got these mom shorts from Forever 21, and they fit so well. They kind of just, I just wanted like a pair of distressed regular light wash shorts that I can wear with everything. And all those tops I showed you, I've literally worn them with these shorts, and they all go perfectly. I believe this was on sale for like $13 because it was an extra like 40% off, so I was so happy about that. So moving on to bathing suits, I actually went on Zaful.com, and I got this adorable 2-piece bathing suit. So the next store that I went to was Zaful.com, and I actually got an adorable swimsuit, and I know like they're known for the swimsuits. I feel like everyone does like a swimsuit haul, and I fell in love, and I saw this bathing suit, and I was like, oh, I need to have this bathing suit. So I got this adorable like knitted, not a knitted, but like a top, like I don't know, it has like a knot in the middle. I can't explain things. I don't know, I've just been on the yellow trend lately. I just feel like yellow in the summer just looks beautiful. So I got this, and then the bottoms are a little bit cheeky, but like it's comfortable. So the next store that I went to, I actually found this off of an Instagram ad, and they were like, oh, free bikini. So, you know, I kind of fell into that little trap, and I actually bought the free bikini, and it wasn't even free. Like, you have to pay for shipping, so it wasn't free. But I got this adorable 2-piece like pink, let me put it together and I'll get back to you. It's kind of like a top, like a regular like straight neck top, and it comes with these pink bottoms, and they're so cute. It's also cheeky. It's kind of like the same style as this swimsuit I showed you before. I paid, I think, $10 for shipping, so technically this swimsuit was like $10, but you can't go wrong, and I really love the color on my skin. It looked really nice. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single Friday. And yes, I love you all so much. Make sure to leave a comment down below of any video requests you guys have for me. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.